Annyeonghaseyo everyone, it's Jack here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do this makeup tutorial and here's the outcome. And if you guys are curious how did I do this cool look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and click on the notification bell. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys in a bit. Okay, so to start I'm going to use this cute headband to keep my hair in place. I've already washed my face prior to this and I'm going to wear contact lenses because as you know, I have a poor eyesight. Now that I'm done with my contact lenses, I'm going to prepare my skin. So I'm going to use the serum on my face and then I'm going to massage it for better absorption. Next is I'm going to wear a sunblock. I'm just putting a small amount on my face and then I'm just spreading out the product evenly and then I'm massaging it. Putting some product on my neck too. Next is I'm going to use this facial lotion that I got from Innisfree. After that, I'm going to use this aloe vera gel to seal in the moisture and to create, a barrier on my face for better makeup application. Now I'm just drying the product faster using this mini fan. Down to the makeup, so now I'm using this Nature Republic BB cream in the shade of 21. I like to use the shade that is much lighter than my skin tone. To spread the product evenly, I'm going to use this cushion puff to flatten and blend everything out. Now that we're done with the BB cream, next is I'm going to use this No Sebum powder pack. And I'm just going to use my brush and I'm just putting some onto my face and neck. Down to the sculpting or contouring, I'm going to use this Etude House palette in the shade of brown and I'm going to contour my nose first. So I have a very big nose and I'm just contouring the nose bridge and the halo part as well as the tip. It will give me a narrow and pointy nose. Using the same shade that I used to contour my nose, I'm going to apply it onto the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going to use the same shadow to create a fake eye bags or aking. That way it will give me a very cute looking eyes. So I'm just fixing everything. Next is I'm going to fill in my brows using a dark eyeshadow in the same palette. I like to do my eyebrows straight, so I'm just using an angled brush. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the features using this highlighter. And I'm just going to put some on the nose bridge, on the tip of the nose, on the philtrum, and on the lower lip. I'm going to put some as well on the brow bone. I'm going to use again a No Sebum powder and just setting everything out and blending everything. Using this coral colored blusher, I'm just going to get some of the product and then I'm just going to line my eyes using an eyeshadow brush. Next is the eyeliner, so I'm just going to use this eyeliner and then I'm just going to wing out and extend the corners of my eyes. Just blending everything out again with a no sebum powder. Using a red lip tint, I'm going to apply some of the product onto the center of my lower lip and onto the upper lip as well. I'm going for a gradient effect, so I'm going to use a nude lipstick and just blending everything out. Okay, so now I'm done and I'm just going to do my hair and change my clothes. Thanks for watching. 많이 사랑해주세요.